Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE's Re-evaluation and Verification Portal receives over 56,000 applications within 2 days of launch. Board successfully thwarts a massive 3.8 million packet denial of service cyber attack. CBSE says technical teams are continuously monitoring the portal and introducing improvements to ensure a smoother, faster and more seamless experience for students. CBSE invites applications from principals and teachers of affiliated private schools for engagement as directors and mentors under the Prerna program in Vadnagar, Gujarat. Nominations open until 10 June 2026 to support experiential learning rooted in India's culture and knowledge systems. CBSE extends deadline for registration and participation in CBSE Games 2026-27 till 16th June. Schools can apply through the CBSE Sports Portal, while late fees of 500 rupees and 1000 rupee per student will be charged for applications submitted between June 17th to 18th and June 19th to 20th respectively. NCERT invites students of classes 3 to 12 to participate in the National Yoga Olympiad 2026 from June 15th to 18th. Online activities include quiz, essay writing, poetry, slogan writing and poster making, with digital participation certificates for all registered participants. School Bus Owners Association Maharashtra announces a 15% increase in school transportation charges from the 2026-27 academic year, citing rising fuel prices, staff salaries, vehicle maintenance, insurance premiums and compliance costs. The association says the fare revision became unavoidable due to mounting operational expenses and the lack of government support despite repeated representations. NEET UG 2026 re-examination under fresh scrutiny as alleged brokers claim they can secure government medical college admissions by manipulating OMR answer sheets for 20 lakh rupees. Gujarat Cyber Cell launches investigation after complaint and recorded evidence submitted by a candidate. Dubai-based Class 12 CBSE student and ethical hacker Rylan Anil identified and reported security vulnerabilities in both NEET and JEE advanced portals within 5 days. Following his disclosure, NTA and examination authorities acted swiftly to address the issues, highlighting the growing role of young cybersecurity enthusiasts in strengthening India's education technology systems. Central Consumer Protection Authority penalizes PhysicsWallah and McAfee India for using dark patterns. EdTech firm fined 5 lakh rupees and cybersecurity company 1 lakh rupees for employing deceptive digital practices such as hidden charges, confirm shamming and fear-based prompts that influenced consumer decisions. Punjab government caps private school fee hikes at 5% annually. CM announces new law to curb arbitrary fee increases and protect parents from excessive charges. Schools charging more than the permitted limit may face penalties, refund orders and possible withdrawal of recognition under the proposed regulation. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.